Yo, what's up, chat? So today we are just doing random today, I guess, because I found my head strap and I want to use it because I've been fiending to record for ages. But today we're cleaning the front of the Honda Easy. The window needs to be cleaned, as you can tell. The Honda Easy is like dirty, like it's like dirty. Like I need to clean this or even replace it maybe. See, trash. I need to clean the car too. First we're doing the front. Cause the inside of that car is steaming. Cause I got all that leather in there. Slow ass cars. I'll be flying through this, ain't gonna lie.
I be so attached up to this money, I'm finna go and count it. I done seen so much shit with these eyes that I won't tell nobody. I'm drowning out my sorrows in this cup, no I won't talk about it. These niggas claiming bodies they ain't got, but go to rapping about it. Man, that shit so sitting, spitting fish. Boy, get out my mention. Why you sitting cross out on the bench?
Yo, y'all need to go check out the archive channel. It's called Cash Archive. Y'all need to go check that out. I be posting like random shit, like behind the scenes of videos I post on this channel, so.
Man, these summers hot, so keep it cool for you become a villain. I feel like with some niggas that double crossed, I cried them out the pit. You ain't catching bodies, I tell her, bro, just chill, no need for capping about it. He was juicing up, I did so much, the fool ain't got no knowledge. You ain't in the field, let's be for real, little bro, just stick to college. I was out here wildin', towing guns, you tweet, we let them have them. Wholesale, we get.
Alright, looking clean. Okay, good. I'm glad the trash cans are down here. I was not about to run all the way down there just to throw this away. Where the f my paper towels go? Bro, what the f? Look at this, bro. Like, guess I gotta use all this shit, man.
We get them by the logo, by the whole bell. Shawty was the cutest, she wanna fuck me, I'm like, oh well. I can't let them trip me out the streets, just gotta prevail. We been sending backs, they going fast, just like some retail. I be so attached up to this money, I'm finna go and count it. I done seen so much shit with these eyes that I won't tell nobody.
Alright, let me get on the other side. Why is this side not open? Like, what are we doing here? Damn, I bumped y'all. Y'all good? Okay. Y'all getting pretty hot, ain't gonna lie. I'm cooked.
Bruh.
I'm cooked. That was supposed to tell me when I was supposed to get my next oil change. And it's so hot that the ink's coming off. That's great. Oh.
Man, these summers hot, so keep it cool for you become a villain. I feel like with some niggas that double crossed, I cried them out the pit. You ain't catching bodies, I tell her, bro, just chill, no need for capping.
I'm glad I'm recording because my mom asked about that shit. I got video proof. Alright, all these gotta go, bro. I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I see a scooter and I want to ride it low key. I need to figure out where my phone's at. Is my phone in there, bro? It gotta be. Come on. Let's go find my phone. There you are. Police, get out of here. I low-key want to get on the roof. Oh shit, my friend. On some real do as I please. I feel like I'm on top of the world. Let me get my down before I get hurt, bro. What's up, Chop? You gonna be friendly? You gonna be friendly, Chop? I'm not coming, no. Hey. Hey, my guy. What's up, bro? Just want to say what's up. You want a treat? I'll be right back, okay? Chop, chop, snack. Boy, Chop, you love your nature granola bars, huh? There you go, Chop. You be a good boy. Damn, thing's good.
Bruh.
Wish I didn't make a mess though. This should be crazy.